Do you mind?
There you go.
Just some shots. Thank you.
Yeah, there you go. You guys are getting it.
You, Nico.
You're a masterpiece.
You're a masterpiece unto yourself, girl.
Masterpiece.
Woohoo!
Hey,
Yeah. Say hi to me.
she's a masterpiece.
Hi.
Hold that.
So do you want to put on your sweater?
Buy your sweater.
That's great, Brian. Keep going. Nice, Josie.
Well, we can do that after. Should I add some? Should I do this part too?
Yeah. They don't need windows. That part doesn't need windows.
And then after that, should I add some more paint?
Yes, yes. Oh, absolutely, because you want it to get darker and darker towards the bottom. There you go. You got it, Cora. Okay, that's great. No more drips over here. I need more water, Ari. There you go. And there you got all 5 of them. Way to go. You like the process?
I do.
Hello. I think he likes the process.
I went diagonal because.
You know what? I don't know what I'd do without you.
What? I went diagonal.
Oh yeah, keep going. There you go. Let me help just a bit.
Yeah,
Hold it like so. Go like this.
Oh, okay.
You got it. That's good. You might even turn it a little bit so at the top it tapers off, you know? That's good, Ari, you got it. Wherever you want, but just make sure there's some space between, so when you do another color, that it'll have room to go too, okay? Okay, here she goes, dripping. Harder, harder. Yeah. Okay. Cara's getting ready for her rosy drips. Nice. Oh yeah, there they go. Does that make you happy?
Yes.
Yeah. We're doing our purple shadows. We start right about here.
Here?
Yep, and go all the way across. Go ahead and do it loosely like you just said, Cora. That's perfect. But I would always keep my drawing board flat. Put it flat on your lap. That'll be better. There you go. What do you got there? What's that? Is that Nico? What is it? Show me.
It's just red dust.
Oh, red dust. Okay.
Oh, I'm sad about something. And doing lots of stuff. I began to make your heart out of your favorite color. What's your favorite color?
What do you think it
Red.
is? Should I not be doing something?
You could, if you feel like it. Should have balanced it a little bit left and right. Because it's heavy green on the right, isn't it? Gorgeous. Yeah, more green.
This represents the small crevice up there that I feel like nobody hardly ever notices. Does anyone else want
There he goes.
I'll make a picture for you.
Okay, I like that.
What's your favorite colors?
Turquoise. Go, go, go. Woohoo, Cora. Nice. Is that our favorite part so far, or what? Go, go, go. Yeah.
I'll just add a little bit more.
Oh, is that for me?
Thank you, Mother Earth.
You got it, Cora. Keep going. Yeah.
That's all we have.
It can't be in big pieces.
I'm still going, man.
Delicious to you. Oh, what? Oh, wait. Mother Earth. How is this? Oh, let's go for the Mother Earth. Cover foot. You gotta cover.
Yeah?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See?
There you go. That's perfect. A little lighter touch and jump through your bushes.
I'm into its nest.
Go. So we're now,
Yeah, it's just having trouble with paper blowing.
well, you gotta hold it down. Yeah, I know you gotta have 3 hands, right?
Now we put one on the other hand.
Good. About a 1/2 inch from the page.
Switch. Still working our way. Alright.
Switching.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Okay, now we can switch if you're ready.
No, that's enough paint for this, but you could put some on one of your papers. Come on. Come on, let's go do it on your paper.
I like it a lot.
Yeah.
Look at this. I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Yes, there you go, girl. Go, go, go. Yeah. What do you think, Nico? Pretty cool. Yeah, there you go. Ta-da! Okay, here we go. Signing. And then 0225. Okay, there we go. Okay,
So around here.
yep. And the date, 0225.